Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share and I hope that you will join me. I picked up some Halloween socks. These are crew socks and it is size 6 to size 12. And that's what that one looks like. Cute, right? I like it. And I also picked up this one. And then this is the skull crossbone one. Really cute. I love them. I picked those up. And I also picked up these are called palm bones, but you know they're skeleton hands is what it is. I picked up 3 bags and you get 10 pieces per bag. And that's what they look like. Look at that. They're kind of like grungy, right? I like the color that they put in there. Cute. So I needed some more skeleton hands, so I went ahead and picked up extra because I'm always in need of that. And I also picked up these stickers. They're gemstone stickers and you get 100 pieces per package, and I picked up 5. I was thinking about doing a Halloween project with this. Well, I'm not sure how it will turn out, but it's like an ombre color. You start with the dark gray and it works up to silver. And they're chunky gemstones. Look at that. Cute. And they come in different colors too, but I like this one. And then they also have the round stones in there too. And of course you get the dark colors and like a smoky gray and then the silvers. The whole thing is like an ombre color. I like it. And I also, while I was at my store, I picked up these yarns. These are the eyelash trim. Look at that. And it is silver. This is a new color at my store, so I went ahead and picked up 2 because, you know, I need some. I love using these yarns to make tassels, so I went ahead and picked up 2. I found some new berry picks. Look at this. This is by Floral Garden, and I picked up 4 bags, and you get 2 picks per bag. Look at this. It's like a dark brown color. I like them. And you get 8 berries per pick. Cute, right? I love the colors. I wanted to make sure I had enough for any project I decide to do with these. So yeah, I hopefully I have enough now. And then I also went down the Crafter Square aisle and I found some new goodies. Look at these. This is a black wooden beads. Well, they're colored black already. Look at that. Nice, right? And I like it that the holes on the beads are, you know, a decent size. And you get 24 beads per package, so I picked up 4 of these. Cute. That will work really well for like Halloween and, you know, Christmas, like if you're doing the buffalo theme, you know, buffalo plaid theme, the white and the black, or the red and the black, and that sort of thing. And then I also found it in this color. Now this is like a light brown shade. Look at that. Nice, right? I like it. And I picked up 4 of these. Move those over. And then I found some of these. They're tassels. And well, I only found 2, so I went ahead and picked up this one. It's like a grungy brown. Look at that. No, it's a tassel, but I plan to take it apart so I can use the beads. Because, see, look, it doesn't even stretch. So, you know, it would be a chore just to you'll have to find something specifically this size to use it on. So I plan to take this apart, and I picked up two, and I'm going to be on the watch out for some more of this color. I really like this color. Look at this. I found my wish item. I am so happy I found these. I found it in the clear, the orange, and the yellow. I passed on the yellow color because I just wanted the orange and the clear. Well, those are the only three colors I saw. So I don't know what other colors that they would have. I will have to go watch some Dollar Tree hauls and take a look to see what all the colors that they have available. So I'm happy I found these two. And these are bottles with the cork lights. Let me open this right quick. I want to test this out. Adorable. I love these. This is the miniature version of the bottles Dollar Tree usually carries, right? Look at this. Let's see. And it comes with the Save the Light. Look at that. How cute. So let's see. Hold on. Let me let me untie this right quick. I want to see how long the light is. Look at that. You see, you get 6 lights. It's quite a lengthy light. It is 21 inches on the lights. I'm going to feed this back in here and take a look. Oh, I love this. I'm happy I found them. I wanted to buy more, but I had to restrain myself because I really don't need all that much. But 3 is a good number for me. Look at this. How cute. Let me try the orange one too. Look at that. Adorable. Oh my goodness. I am so happy I found these. Let me turn off this light. Look at that. How cute. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I love these cute little bottles. My goodness, I am quite happy. So I picked up like I said, 3 each of in those colors. Amazing. And then I also picked up these. Look at this. LED disco lights. And let's see. Where does the... I need to see where it says what size battery it uses. Oh, I don't know. Let me just open it and take a look. Triple A's. Let's try this. Really cute. I picked up 3. I was thinking I want to use this for Halloween. Instead of using my strobe lights, I want to use these. Something new, right? I think it's gonna look really cute. Imagine you got the disco lights on with some fog. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. It changes color. Oh, I did not know that. Oh, how cute. Oh wow. Adorable. Hold on. Look at that. You see this? It's like a kaleidoscope. I love it. Oh my, I love it. Thank you, Dollar Tree. You know what? I need to go get some more. How cute. You know, this would be good for like when you're having your New Year's party. Wow, look at that. I love it. Oh my, love, love, love. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Okay, let me move that aside because I'm going to stare at that forever. I need to get it out of my way. I also picked up these ornaments. Look at this. Really, really cute. I love it that it came with the metal fix. or finial. Is that what it's called? You know, the little cap. I want to make these into ornaments for Halloween. I'm going to put, put it on my Halloween tree. So I picked up 5 of them so I can take it apart. And I want to decoupage the front and the back. It'll be adorable. So I picked up 5 of those, and then I picked up 5 of these. Look at this. This is the little gnome. Isn't he gorgeous? Cute. But look at this one too. I mean, it's still beautiful. Look at the cute little elves. I probably should pick up some more. Since I'm going to use this for Halloween, I need to go get some more. How cute. Adorable little elves. And, you know, the gnome. Picked up 5 each. This one I'm going to leave like this. And I will probably need to seal this because it looks like the paper wants to come off. So, got those. And then I found some bargain items. Look at this. This was 75 cents. And it's the house with the black and white gingham. Buffalo plaid, if you call it. I didn't realize this was fabric. I thought it was, you know, same as this paper. Very cute. Now, I didn't see any down the aisle. I guess this was a leftover. I want to keep a watch out for this. I think it'll make a cute project somewhere, right? And then I found these also in the clearance section. And these signs just say grateful. And then these were 50 cents each. So I picked up 2. I mean, they had like a whole bunch. I'm thinking it probably came off one of those wall hanging signs. So I only picked up 2. And then I also picked up 2 buckets. This is the flower and garden bucket. And these were 75 cents each. Very cute. It's another craft project in my future. That is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I am so happy I stopped by my Dollar Tree. I found some excellent items. I mean, even my bargain items. I loved my bargain items. But I found some new favorite toys. Oh yeah, I definitely need to pick up maybe 3 more. You know, put some under the tree, put some facing like, you know, sideways like this so it reflects off the wall, right? I think that'll be cute. I can put one against the garage door. I'm gonna have my whole house blinking in the neighborhood. My neighbors are probably wondering what I'm up to. They're like, crazy lady? What are you doing? But I'm glad I found these. Look at cute little beads. I believe that they had white also, but I didn't buy the white thing. I just needed the brown and the black ones and this color too. So they have this in other colors also, but this is the only one I wanted. But yeah. Quite happy with my Dollar Tree finds this week. And I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your next trip to the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.